Today my son will be reviewing this trash bag toy for you. I'll just pass it on to him now. There you go.
Hi guys, today we got the Trash Pack Series 7 Junk Germs, and I will be showing you all 12 trashes that are included in this. It comes with two special edition Cold and Flu color change trashies. I'm gonna open it now. I'm gonna check the names of these two trashes over here at the front. This trashie's name is Hookworm, and it's over here in Germs. I'm gonna search for the next trashie in here too. This trashie's name is Glughole, and he's in the household germs section. Now I'm going to open the next bin. Inside there are 5 trashies, and I'll show you each one of them now. I'm gonna look for these trashies' names at the front. I already know one of them, and it's Putrid Plaque in Household Germs. I found him, and his name is Fishworm. Next I'm gonna look for this bird's name, and I like him a lot. He looks like a chicken and he can fly. He's still flying. Next I'm gonna look for this dog's name. He looks like he wants to eat. He's in Pet Germs, and his name is Ringworm Rover. His name is Ringworm, and he's in Pet Germs. I've never seen this trashie in my entire life, so I'll have to look for him. I found him, and his name is Booger Blower, and he's in Household Germs, but I don't get why he is. Next I'm gonna open the 2 test tubes that are at the back and fall like buildings. These are the 4 trashies I got while opening up the test tubes. I'm gonna show you the 2 Cold and Flu color changing ones first. This one's called Brainworm, and this one's called Fridge Fungus. I'm gonna put them in water and see what happens. These 2 trashies have a bit of spots on them, and you go to the back to see more of them. You might not be able to see it clearly, because if I take it out, they become more transparent so you can't see them. I think you need to use very cold water. I also got these 2 other trashies, and I'm gonna find out what they are. This trashie's name is Eyeworm, and it's in the X-ray group. And this trashie's name is Monkey Mucus, and he's in Vicious Virus group. I'm gonna build a trash pack robot now, using what I got today. I control all you trashies. No, you don't. No. Bye, guys.